Match day 5 of the Hero Intercontinental Cup 2019 brings us back to Ahmedabad, the EK Arena, where the winners of the last two games are up against each other. Usman Toshev's top of the table Tajikistan up against Yoon Jong-soo's DPR Korea, who could go top of the table themselves if they can do to their opponents what they did to India 2 days ago. DPR Korea side in white, R. Venkatesh the referee for today. Tajikistan in red, a point will be enough for them. DPR Korea looking for a win as we kick off here at the EK Arena in Ahmedabad.
A point could be enough for Korea as well, Anand. It could be, depending on what happens in the game tomorrow.
That's true. And this was the man, and he releases the exact same shot, but not with the same effect, unfortunately.
Yeah, you only score one of those every 100, I think, Anand, and he knows that, but everybody backed off him, allowed him the time and space. I think that Ante Song in goal had that covered. Just came across that one slightly, always drifting away.
Once again, searching ball. Opportunity for DPR Korea. Ятимов will not be beaten just yet, and anyway, the whistle's gone for offside. Just giving the ball away, though, Mace, cheaply. That's something that'll worry them because they were on the attack 30 seconds ago. Now have to defend all over again.
Rahimov's in trouble, by the way. That's a foul, not given.
It's much better from DPR Korea, and will you believe it? Ятимов has been beaten finally. It's Ri Ҷун with the goal. And this will be celebrated for a long, long time if the scoreline remains this way. Because suddenly, from a 5-2 scoreline against Syria, DPR Korea are edging towards the final with that 1-0 scoreline in their favour. The very end of the game tomorrow, just to see how many goals Syria can get against India, or if India can surprise Syria. Didn't fall kindly to him, did it? He was in the perfect position, Han Tae-hyuk, to convert that. It was just a tap in and not any other day. That should be the end of that. 3 minutes that were added on have come to an end. But Ri Ҷун have kept the hopes alive for Yoon Jong-soo's side with that goal. That's given them a bit of cushion and given them some hope to qualify for that grand finale on the 19th in this third group game.
Have they got enough to see it through for the full 90 minutes? That's the question, because you can be sure that Tajikistan will come out with a lot more purpose at the start of the second 45. So all to play for me in this one. Who will come out victorious? That's the big question.
We get underway with the second 45, with Tajikistan kicking off proceedings in red, DPR Korea in white.
Straight away the second ball there, Sonny getting on the end of it. Tells you a little bit that you need to know. I'm sure no changes from either side as well, because the Koreans will want to keep it as tight as they can with that 11.
And that would mean Ri Ҷун has had his time in the middle. Once again, straight away involved. Good cross in as well, testing the keeper Ятимов. The deflection falls kindly for the captain, Jong Il-kwon. Uses his left back well. Jong Il-kwon with the shot. We know he can do better. He should have done better, because a 2-0 scoreline would make it more comfortable for them, but doesn't even hit the target. Baratov can shoot from distance, turns nicely, but gives it away. Jong Il-kwon's got the ball now, and suddenly the eyes light up for DPR Korea to find the second over here. Still going, the DPR Koreans, just about keeping it in play. Tackles flying in, nobody's being able to keep hold of the ball. Finally, the man in form, Kim Chol-boom, gets hold of the ball. Here's a cross coming in for the captain. The keeper doesn't come anywhere near it. And the shot on the other side from Ri Ҷун just sails over the bar. No chance of 2-0.
That's a proper cross. Great little footwork there from Kim Chol-boom, and delivers real quality into the box. Take nothing away there from Tabrizi. That is a vital, vital touch that he got on that.
Good ball, meanwhile, towards Ehsani. Samiev is there, so is Baratov. Deflection, and the adventurous. That would have been some goal had the super substitute converted it, but the super will have to be removed for now. The number 15 still very much on the pitch. It's the goal scorer who's been taken off. Wins a header, takes the shot. What a save, Yatimov! If not the best, certainly got to be up there with one of the best saves we've seen in the competition so far.
Yep, wouldn't disagree with that at all, Anand. That is brilliant. But there's that little man, Kim Jong-il again, putting himself about. Just reacts so quickly, but that save, how quickly did Yatimov get down and stop that going in the back of the net? Good save from the keeper.
Chance for the captain! Goes past the face of goal. Has he got a touch to it? Or Venkatesh is looking at his assistant. There will be chance for a substitution here.
Not a million miles away, was it? It was always going wide, I think. I think the whistle's in the referee's mouth now, and I think that could be just enough for the Tajiks.
That's it. You called it. R. Venkatesh heard it. He's blown the whistle.
Look at the reaction of Samayev. That tells you all you need to know. His fists were pumped. They know that 1-0 was enough to see them through. That tells you all you need to know.
They set up to do exactly that, which is a bit disappointing from Tajikistan's point of view and very disappointing from the point of view of the Blue Tigers. A hint of a smile on Osman Toshev's face, which would almost lead you to believe that his side have won, but his side have actually lost. And tell you what, DPR Korea, from a winless streak that extended to 7, they have now won back-to-back games. They have given a proper account of themselves. And Ri Hyung-jin's goal in the 33rd minute eventually stood as a difference between the two sides. And now locked at 6 points apiece. Tajikistan still at the top, but not TPR Korea move up to second.
They do, and now it's Korea that will be hoping India can do them a favour tomorrow when India take on the Syrians to get them through to the final.
Edging the possession, Tajikistan, doesn't matter. What matters is that 3 shots on target that came out of 11 for DPR Korea. One of them found the back of the net, and that's all that mattered towards the end.